Ladies and gentlemen, we are on Microsoft Excel. I'm going to show you how to change the order of your columns in a pivot table. So let us get in. As you can see, this is our pivot table, and you want to select any area of your pivot table, and this will bring up these two options. We have the pivot table analyze and we have the design. So what we're going to do is make sure that the pivot table analyze is selected, and to the right you'll see field list. Now right from here you can see at the bottom we have rows and values, and if you click down you can literally drag this anywhere you'd like. Alright, so let's say we want to change it from the first column, we're going to change it over to the second column. So as you can see over here, this has now changed over. We can do the same if we want to do it back like that. This is now changed again. So literally all you have to do is click down and drag that wherever you want. You can really get creative here, and you can just click down and drag anywhere you'd like, and that's how you go about it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers, folks.